Hello, dears. Today's topic is turning my brother in law's resentment into understanding, navigating negative in law's dynamics in our marriage. So, let's get started. Mark and Sarah had a wonderful marriage and lived in a pleasant neighborhood. But Daniel, Sarah's brother, was lurking in the shadows, jealous of their pleasure. He could not shake the feeling that Sarah had made a mistake in her marriage to Mark. One evening during a family dinner, Daniel exclaimed, "I wish you were not married." The room remained silent, but rather than becoming angry, Mark stayed composed and kind. He was aware of Daniel's sorrow. Mark sent Daniel a note expressing his desire for acceptance and friendship. He stressed to Daniel the value of forgiveness and love in family. Daniel began to change after being touched by Mark's kindness. He realized that love was something to give rather than something to hold. Over time, Daniel and Mark's connection became closer. Their wounds healed and they grew close, a wound from history. Together with Sarah, they gave an example of how forgiveness can mend even the deepest scars. In the end, their story was not about resentment, but rather about how love and understanding can heal a family's heart. I hope you like this story. So please subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.